Hello everyone! Today, I've compiled the top 5 most useful products you can find on Amazon. If you're in search of practical and functional items, you're in the right place. Let's get started. 1. Car Cleaning Gel. Cleaning your car just got easier. This special gel cleans dust and dirt from every surface, from keyboards to car interiors. Its practical use makes car maintenance a breeze. 2. Mini Canosion Chip Bag Sealer. Sealing snack bags is now a breeze with this mini sealer, ideal for keeping your snacks fresh and preventing spoilage. 3. Refrigerator Deodorizer. The most effective way to keep your fridge clean and fresh. This deodorizer absorbs bad odors and fills your fridge with a pleasant scent. 4. Cheese Grater with Garlic Crusher. A time-saving and functional tool in the kitchen. It combines cheese grating and garlic crushing functions in one. 5. Surge Protector Multi-Plug Outlet Extender with Nightlight. A product that enhances safety and convenience at home. It provides additional outlets for charging multiple devices while illuminating the area with a nightlight. These products are excellent options to make your daily life more practical. Are you considering trying any of them? If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, take care.